Everybody, it is me, Mike V, doing some work from home today to test out when they do eventually send us all home. I want to make sure I can do what I need to do from home. So if you hear anything in the background, dog barking, kids fighting, welcome to the new normal. My lovely wife Jackie is working on homework with the kids, so yes, there will be screaming. um, One of the things that I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a moderator for my class next week and probably going forward in my Zoom synchronous lectures. So synchronous sessions I'm doing similar to my live sessions, face-to-face sessions, just we're going to use Zoom to access that. So I've got using Google Calendar to set up the appointments. I guess I can probably show you that. That can go away. That can go away. There's Google Calendar. Google Calendar next week. Here's my class times. And those are actually Zoom meetings where I've invited the students to those meetings. So the link is there. As long as we can get them to start using Google Calendar, I think it's going to be as best as we can do. So in the rooms, though, I'm going to have a moderator, and this person is going to be responsible for a couple things. Let's go ahead. I'm using Google Docs here so I can share this out with you all. Talked over this morning with one of the moderators. Make sure that the video is recording. That's going to be hugely important. There's a red light indicator, so I'm going to go, blinking red light indicator, but I also may ask for somebody to grab a screenshot of what that looks like on there, and so we have a visual of that for the room. Assist people with technical difficulties using the chat feature. So I think Zoom has a chat feature. One of the things I want to do is I'm actually going to shoot out a video today about the protocols for communication using Zoom. And then if there's any issues, people need to identify those in the chat. Issues with their technology, microphone working, camera working, some other things. Identify those in the chat, and then the moderator will be looking for that. Also keep an eye out for people raising their hands to ask questions, interrupt about questions about content, interrupt the meeting host as directed. So I'm going to tell the person monitoring my room, hey, please go ahead and just let me know what's up. I think that's good, right? This seems to be good. Zoom moderator responsibilities. If the moderator is the host, this will be important. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do a subheading here. Right, so now this will all be searchable. Primary responsibilities. There we go. Make that another heading. Again, accessibility and navigable. Let's fix my comma. If moderator is the host, you are responsible for uploading the video, the Zoom, the folder created by Zoom for the meeting to Google Drive. So that's one of the things I'm doing. When you host a meeting and you click record, it's going to save a local copy on your machine of video files, audio file, any screenshots that you take. The host then, it's on their local machine. We need that to be accessible to multiple people. Then that is going to get shared on Google Drive, or actually loaded to Google Drive, and then can be shared as necessary. So we'll do another video on that though. But here, if you're going to use a Zoom moderator for your classes, your asynchronous Zoom sessions, I'm going to recommend that this is what you have them do. It's enough to worry about, trust me, especially next week when we start getting people into the room and not knowing exactly how this stuff works. So That said, check it out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to comment on this document. You'll have that option. I'll make this public and commentable, and we're just going to make it happen, folks.